Okay, investors, welcome back to another quick video.
All of which are American dreams.
Let's take a look here. The $100 a month portfolio is just steadily chugging along, giving me 1909. So 19% increase in my monthly contributions of $100 on average. Here you see we have a little dip there from our little steady growth. And so that's what I want to talk about today. Let's go over here to M1, and here's the portfolio. Looking at the 1 year view, I want to take it to the year to date view and focus on this $6,500 down on $6,500 April 2nd down to 6 days later $5,700. So $800 drop, pretty significant percentage drop. And I think primarily that big fluctuation or volatility is caused by our little friend here, Tesla. I forget what's going on with Doge and the USAID and all that, but probably around that time. But I want to cover this here, this volatility with Tesla, and say that this is basically a part two. If you remember, on March 17th, I put out a video, part one, called Rolling Stock, talking about Tesla. One thing I want you to remember here is the market is you. You are the market. The market is people. It's not something that just happens. I mean, people are buying and selling. Obviously, this is nothing new. I'm not telling you anything new. Every day for their own reasons of, taking profits and all that. But the market is you. And then, so part of this, so April, first week of April. Let's go now over to Schwab. So here we are at Schwab, and looking at my transaction history for the last 6 months for ticker symbol TSLA, Tesla. March 18th, bought 11 shares at $225, and this is what I was telling you about with the rolling stock. Let's take a look here. Where is March 18th? Right here. M1 sucks for this. It just tells me what the value was. It doesn't tell me what the price was. But at some point, it hit 225, and I was able to buy 11 shares. And then immediately after that, I put in a limit order to sell at 350, but I only sold 10 shares. So this is part of my strategy of rolling stocks that are very volatile, like Tesla, that go up and down in huge swings, which I don't mind because I had a nice, $1,025 profit, plus I was able to keep 1 share of Tesla. And then I plan on repeating that. I do have a open order right now. Let's go over there. So as soon as I sold those 10 shares, I put in an open order to buy Tesla, this time at 12 shares at 220. Whether it's going to come down and hit that, I don't know. Obviously, I don't predict the future. But it's sitting there. Elon puts out a tweet, says something, somebody has a problem with them, and stock goes from 330 down to 220. my order is there ready to go to buy those 12 shares. And if and when that does happen, the following day, or when first chance I get, I'm going to put in a order to sell those shares, 10 of them. So I'll keep 2, sell 10 of them at, $3.50, and just keep going that way. Like I said, I don't know if Tesla is going to be going up and down like this again. So I'm looking for other stocks to do this with. So I'm looking for suggestions. Let me come back over here. And if we look at my complete portfolio dashboard, maybe this is better. Any of these stocks I'm looking to do this rolling stock thing with. I'm looking at possibly PLTR, which seems to be very volatile. I'm also looking at Ford. If I can get my average, right now it's at 1216, which is not great. So if I could buy 100 or 110 shares of Ford anywhere under $10, and then put in an order to sell 100, keeping 10 at $12 to $13. Let's see where Ford is at right now. So you can see Ford here, 52-week range, anywhere from $8 to $14. So if I can buy it, like I said, anywhere under 10, sell it for 14, $4 spread, I'm very happy with that. Or any of these others, I don't see a lot of fluctuation because they're all well-established companies. If you're going to implement this strategy into your portfolio, which I'm not recommending because I don't give financial advice, it's what I do, which stock would you do it with? Which one do you see the volatility in that can, within 6 months, I'm not looking for a 30-day flip. 6 months is fine. The Tesla just happened to be almost exactly 2 months, which is great. So I'm hoping Tesla drops again down to 220. That's it. I'm done rambling. Quick video. Thank you for watching, as always. And if you want to hear more ramblings, all that. Thank you.